How to verify ID.me. To verify your identity with ID.me, you may follow up these steps. So, you will need to generally head over to the website ID.me and create an ID.me account and follow the prompts in order to do so. For that, once you are in the website, look out for the three dot in the top right corner. And once you find it, you will be finding sign in page. And if you don't have an ID, login start here. Look out for the second option and tap on it. After you tap on it, you will be taken to another page. Now you may just follow up this on-screen process in order to do so. So here what you can do is first of all enter up your personal email and your password. After that confirm your password and tap on create account. Otherwise you may also create account using Facebook, Google, Apple ID or LinkedIn or many more other options. So just go ahead and do so. After that, you need to follow up the process. So you need to enter up a phone number and receive a code by phone or tap on call me and just go ahead and do so. Or there are different other processes you can use in order to do so. So once this completes, you just need to head over and go on with the process of verifying yourself, where you need to go ahead and upload photos of your government issued ID like a driver's license and potentially complete a selfie video as well. You might also need to enter your security number, and the process often involves confirming your email address or potentially authorizing ID.me to share your verified information with the organization that you're accessing services from. And that's it. So therefore, if you would also like to verify your ID.me verification, you may head over and follow up these simple steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.